Hey, want an auto clicker on your iPhone for games or tasks? In just few minutes, I'll show you how to set it up fast with no apps. Let's automate those taps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Find Switch Control and tap it. Go to Switches. It'll say 0. Tap Add New Switch, choose Screen, then Full Screen. Under System, select Tap. This sets up your auto clicker to tap the screen. Let's keep going. Go back and tap Recipes. Choose Create New Recipe and name it Auto Clicker. Tap Assign a Switch. Select Full Screen, then choose Custom Gesture. Now tap the screen where you want the auto clicker to click repeatedly, like this. Once it's set, hit Save in the top right. Your auto clicker's ready. Go to Launch Recipe and select Auto Clicker. Back in Switch Control, scroll down and tap Accessibility Shortcut. Then enable Switch Control. Now triple-click your side button. Tap the screen once. Your auto clicker starts tapping. To stop, triple-click again. Test it in a game or app. It works anywhere. If it's off, check your shortcut settings. That's it. You've set up an auto clicker on your iPhone in minutes. Like this video for more gaming hacks, subscribe for weekly tech tips, and tell me, what game are you auto-clicking? Drop it below. Game smart, and I'll see you next time.